our gondola again, and this time it's a lot better because it's really early in the morning. I am going on a zipline tour. It's a bit sprinkly, but at least I can see the skyline. I can see it all now. It's not cloudy and rainy like the other day. Well, it's raining now, but at least I can see what's up here. Today is my chill day, so it is my last day in Queenstown, and what better way to enjoy last day than to relax, to chill, to bask in the ambience of this beautiful country. So here we are, but where are we? Guys, I'm just so excited, I can't deal. Well, we are at the hot pools. Ta-da! Look how beautiful this is. Such a beautiful day, and I can't deal. I can't deal. So I'm just gonna enjoy my time. I only have 45 minutes, so. I'm back in central Queenstown, and I really want to go to this Mexican bar called Margo, but they don't open till 5. So what I'm going to do is just walk around Queenstown and check things out. I am going to do the little walk around Queenstown Gardens. This is Queenstown Gardens. I found the rose gardens and they're dead. Oh, they're still growing because it's winter. But yeah, they're dead. It's hard. It's really hard. Yeah. I don't know what to say. I feel like throwing myself in another country, throwing myself in new situations can help me heal, can help me pass from the pain and the grief. But it doesn't. And that's what people don't tell you. You can go anywhere in the world, you can be anywhere, be with anyone, but if you still carry the pain and the suffering inside of you, it will go with you. It will stay with you. No matter what. Good morning. It is my last day here in Queenstown. I'll be going back this afternoon around 4. So I'm about to check out. I'm surprised checkout is at 11 here, which is really good because I get to sleep in. Before I check out, I want you guys to have a look at the room. This is the hallway. You have the little mini kitchen, got the microwave, toaster. They even have an espresso machine, sink, and mini fridge. It's really quite huge actually, and a massive mirror. This is the couch. I know it's messy because I sat on it last night. Another full-foot couch, table, TV's right here. And then you go into the room. The room is quite big too. You got yourself a TV in the room, chair there. This is the bed. The bed's quite comfy. Pillows, on the other hand, they're a bit too big and tall for me, so my neck was aching the whole week. So sometimes I slept without a pillow. I'm so used to a pancake pillow. And then the closet is right here. There's a safe in there too, which is pretty cool, and other things like umbrella and whatnot. So then you go into the bathroom, and the bathroom is really, really nice. It's my favorite. You got the poo-poo. You have the shower. And the bathtub, my favorite. So this room has been designed really beautifully. This is probably the best hotel I've ever been to, and the most comfortable hotel. And you cannot beat the view. So this is the view. Oh God, it's a rainbow. Oh my God, what the heck? Wow, I can see the end of the rainbow. Wow. 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 It's a double rainbow.
It's a freaking double rainbow.